Now we're factoring, and it's just gonna, you just gotta do it. You gotta jump in and do it. This is, you got the difference of two perfect squares, that's gonna factor to conjugates. You've got the outsides that are both perfect squares. This is a perfect square trinomial. It's gonna look very similar to this, but I want you to try and figure out the difference. And because these all look very similar, I'm gonna actually do one of them and allow you the honor and privilege of doing the rest of them on your own. I will show you the diamond/grouping method, and I say that will work in most cases all the way across here. This is a 12x squared if you multiply those two things together. The number on the bottom is going to be a 13x. There's two things that go here and here that will add together to get 13 and multiply together to get 12. Okay, and those two things are 12x and 1x. Now these are not my factors, but they will go in as a replacement to this. And I'm going to rewrite my equation, 3x squared, and I'm just going to plot that right next to it, 12x. Now if I put the 1, that would be fine. It'll still work. Plus 1x, which is that. I've dropped these two guys in place of the 13, and now I got a plus 4 on the outskirts. Now I'm going to group those two things together there. Okay, and take out what I can from each group. I can take out a 3x here, and I'm left with an x plus 4. I can take out a 1 here, and I'm left with an x plus 4. Technically, I don't take it out, but it's good to have something out in front because then you can kind of see what it is. This thing and this thing are the item that I can take out, x plus 4. And what's left is the 3x plus 1. Okay, that's essentially what you're doing throughout here.